Did you know that 63% of Americans can't afford a $1,000 emergency expense? Learn how to build financial security today. Imagine losing your job tomorrow. How long can you last? If the answer is less than 3 months, then this video is for you. Write in the comments how many months of expenses do you have in your savings? Like if you are under financial pressure. I will look at everyone's answers. 40% of Americans experienced a financial emergency last year. Car repairs, hospital bills, or job loss, nothing is unexpected. Today, I'll show you 5 effective ways you can build an emergency fund, even on a low salary. An emergency fund means financial freedom. It saves you from credit card debt and gives you peace of mind. Experts say to have an emergency fund equal to 3 to 6 months of expenses. But start with small goals, $1,000 first. Start today. Open a separate savings account just for emergency funds. Call it a "Don't Touch" fund. Calculate your monthly expenses. Rent, food, utilities, transportation, everything. Your goal should be 3 to 6 times this total amount. Set up an auto transfer. $50 to $100 goes into your emergency fund the day you get paid. Pay yourself first policy. Remember, $1 is enough to get you started. Drink 1 less coffee a day, and you'll save $35 a week. $1,800 a year. Do a side hustle for extra income. Freelancing, Uber driving, online tutoring, all money goes straight to your emergency fund. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify, gym, let go of the ones you don't use. Save $100 a month. If you get a tax refund, put it all in an emergency fund. Credit card cashback, rebates, everything in one place. Do the 52-week challenge. $1 the first week, $2 the second, that's $1,378 at the end of the year. Keep emergency funds in a high-yield savings account. Earn 4 to 5% interest. Check out Ally, Marcus, or Discover Bank. Keep emergency funds in a place where they can be easily accessed. Don't keep them in the stock market or fixed deposits. They will be a problem in an emergency. Let go of the mindset of, "I have a low salary, I can't save." Even saving $3 a day can save you over $1,000 a year. Set smart goals. Specific, measurable, achievable. Example, I will save $1,000 in 6 months. Track progress. Spreadsheet, app, or simple notebook, whichever is easiest. Keep weekly updates. Involve the whole family. Children will also learn the importance of saving. Set family financial goals. Do a savings challenge with friends. Get motivated together. Social pressure will work positively. Use a banking app. Turn on the auto roundup feature. Every purchase will round up cents and go into savings. Don't keep your emergency fund debit card in your wallet. Keep it in a safe place at home. Easy access means easy spending. Develop skills to increase your salary. Online courses, certifications, invest in yourself. More income means more savings. Celebrate small victories. Treat yourself when you make your first $100. But keep the treat within your budget. Holiday bonuses, birthday money, gift cards, all in an emergency fund. Convert seasonal income into regular savings. Question, should I pay off my debt first or save? Answer, both. Pay off your debt by maintaining minimum savings. What does urgent mean? Job loss, medical emergency, car breakdown. Going on vacation or buying a new phone is not urgent. Understand your risk level. Freelancer? Want more than 6 months? Stable job? 3 to 4 months is enough. Keep inflation in mind. $1,000 today is not the same as $1,000 in 5 years. Review your funds once a year. You will have to pay tax on the interest on your emergency fund. But keep this tax in your budget too. Savings don't have tax benefits, but they are essential. Biggest mistake, investing in an emergency fund. It's not an investment, it's insurance. Look for safety, not returns. You'll feel pressured when your friends buy luxury items. Remember, they don't have an emergency fund, you do. Those who had emergency funds during COVID 2020 suffered less. Prepare now for the next recession. Medical bills are the biggest financial risk in America. Even with insurance, there is a deductible. An emergency fund is a lifesaver. Want to change jobs? An emergency fund will give you the courage to take risks for a good opportunity. Financial security gives peace of mind. Stress is reduced, sleep is better, relationships are improved. Money doesn't mean happiness, but it does provide security. If you work seasonally, construction, tourism, have a large emergency fund. Preparing for the off-season is essential. If you are in a hurricane, tornado, or earthquake zone, you need more emergency funds. Natural disasters can bring financial disaster. Increase your emergency fund as you get older. It's harder to lose a job at 50 plus. It takes longer to find a new job. The risk is reduced if both of you work. But both of you could lose your jobs. Manage a joint emergency fund. Have student loans? An emergency fund is more important. Losing a job doesn't stop loan payments. Homeowner? Keep an extra emergency fund. Broken AC, roof leak, plumbing issues, all your responsibility. Have pets? Their medical emergencies are also costly. Consider pet insurance or an extra emergency fund. Does anyone in the family live far away? Set aside a travel fund for emergency visits or increase your emergency fund. Do you need a computer, camera, or tools for work? If these are damaged, it's important to replace them quickly. Extra emergency fund. Review your emergency fund twice a year. Has your expenses increased? Increase your fund. Has your income decreased? Adjust your lifestyle. Jennifer saved $10,000 in 2 years just by spending money on her daily coffee. Michael saved $5,000 in 6 months by side hustle. Join online savings groups. Reddit, Facebook groups, Discord channels. Peer support is very powerful. Myth, an emergency fund is boring. Truth, it gives you freedom. You can actually say yes to good opportunities. Keep emergency funds in a separate bank, away from regular banking. Temptation will be reduced, and you will be able to avoid accidental spending. Emergency funds do not replace insurance, they supplement it. Emergency funds come in handy during insurance claim processing times. Freelancer, Uber driver, gig worker? Income is unpredictable. Have an emergency fund equal to 6 to 12 months of expenses. Planning a baby? Maternity/paternity leave, baby expenses, all will impact your emergency fund. Prepare in advance. Emergency funds save you from touching retirement funds. Withdrawing from a 401k or IRA means penalties and taxes. Emergency funds save you from touching retirement funds. Withdrawing from a 401k or IRA means penalties and taxes. Remember, every dollar you save is a gift to your future self. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, like it. Subscribe for more financial tips. Write in the comments what is your emergency fund goal. Open your emergency fund account today. Start with even $1. best time was 10 years ago, the second best time is now.